YouTubers, welcome back, and it's Tyler here again. Before I continue on with this video, I want to give a big shout out and a thank you to Southern Maryland Paintball. And if you guys are ever in the area down here, just come on down to Southern Maryland Paintball and check out their facility. It's huge, they have multiple scenarios, and the staff and everyone is just about as friendly as they can be. So with that said, let's get back on to the video. So a quick disclaimer, guys. I walked off these distances, so that 50 yards, I just took 50 steps. That's why I put 45 to 50 yards. So it's got to be right within there, so you just go ahead and pick whatever distance you like. Up first, I'll be using Hunter Supply, sized to .250 in 49 grain. To take any inconsistencies out, I'm going to very quickly, after about 2 or 3 shots, I'm going to top off the gun back to 3300 psi. With a heavy hammer and 130 foot-pounds of energy, these guns become very hold sensitive, and you want to shoot them just like a Magnum Springer. Let it recoil backwards, hold them very lightly, and you can produce some pretty decent groups. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I can put a quarter over a group at about 50 yards, I'm not complaining. So I'm not very picky either. Next up, we have the Rat Sniper Slugs at 45 grains, and I tell you what, it is slinging these things out with authority. $1,118. Well, it looks like the sun has shifted and it's throwing off my chrony. Another error. Another error. Alright. Man, if it wasn't for those 2 flyers, I would have a seriously tight group. But it is what it is, so let's see how big those are. So including the 2 flyers, I'd say it's a little over an inch. And I know someone's going to comment and say, you shouldn't be shooting those that fast. They'll group a lot better at around 900 feet per second. Well, this group's for you. And as you can see, the point of impact is way different as opposed to 1100 feet per second. But what's surprising, even to me, is that they really didn't group any better than they grouped at 1100 feet per second. Okay, and for the grand finale, I'll be using the Hunter Supplies, and I have the target set out to about 85 yards. You can choose your number, 80, 85. And I'm going to try to hit this light bulb that's set out there. But first, I'm going to print some on this paper to see exactly where they're hitting. 1007, 1096, 1080, 1071. All right, I think I'm ready to hit that light bulb. Missed it. Got it. Woo. Fail. Nope. Sorry, Tyler. You did not hit the light bulb. Try again. I decided to put some paper behind the light bulb just to see exactly where it's hitting. But hey, I got lucky. Got it the first time. And of course, here's the final group, and you know what? That's not too shabby. I say that's good enough to take Coyote out there to around, I'd say about 80 yards. And that's the max I would probably take a kill shot on a Coyote. or any type of predator with this, because 130 foot-pounds is really not meant to shoot squirrels. I mean, you can. It's not quite the intention I had for this rifle. Well guys, here's a modification. Let me throw these up for you one more time. And I think that I'm going to try a couple more slugs from different suppliers like Mr. Hollow Point. And there's some molds that I might want to try, get into molding my own cast slugs. And I think that I can maybe get this guy to shoot even better than it's shooting right now. But anyways, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.